So in 500-meter race, A beats B by 100 meter. If suppose if they give a statement like this in question, first we should understand the statements properly. In 500-meter race, A beats B by 100 meter means A should see the person who given the statement like beats and all, that person should complete the race. Here in 500-meter race, A beats means A should complete the entire race. So A should complete 500 meters, then only he can give the statement beats by. So and by the time B traveled 400, so with that single statement indirectly conveys that A traveled completed the entire race, means A completed 500 meter, B traveled 400, then only we can give a statement in a 500-meter race A beats B by 100 meter. That statement we can claim only when this is the situation. So in question, whenever you have that statement, you have to understand A beats B by 100 meter. In 500 meters means this. If suppose if it is 1000-meter race, same statement 1000-meter race means A is 1000, B 900. So that's one statement. First we should understand. The second statement in 500-meter race, A beats B by 10 seconds. A beats B by 10 seconds. The statements pretty much required. If you understand, then only we can solve, or else it's a bit difficult to handle questions related to race and games. In 500-meter race, A beats B by 10 seconds. So then what is the meaning here? First, here A completed the race. Whenever they given the statement beats by somebody, they should complete the race. Race is for 500 meter. Okay, A completes the race, and let us say time taken is t seconds. A completed the race, time taken is t seconds. Then B completed the race in t plus 10 seconds. So how much extra time they taken? B 10 seconds extra. That's why A beats B by 10 seconds. This statement, okay, in timing point of view, this is what you have to understand. First one in distance point of view, in 500-meter race, A beats B by 100 meter. That's what the meaning. A complete the race 500, B is 400. Next one in 500-meter race, A beats B by 10 seconds. When A is 500, B also completes that 500. B also completed 500. Okay, but this is B is taking 10 seconds extra. Then we can give the statement A beats B by 10 seconds. That extra 10 seconds we can claim. Right, so these two find. Then they will give other statements like, I hope you understand these two. Note down. Then we'll go for the other statements. Four statements you should understand before entering into races and games to solve the questions properly. Statement in 500-meter race, A gives 10 meters start to B. A should be at 0 point. Okay, and A should travel 500 meters to win the race, whereas B if want to travel only 492 to win the race. As per the question, A gives 10 meters statement. A gives 10 meters start to B. This is what the meaning. Right. Now let's see about the question how to handle. See the question one. In 500-meter race, A beats B by 400, 100, sorry. Okay. Then what I can write now, A by B equal to 500 by 400. Is it correct? A 500, is it correct? Race is for how much distance? 500. A beats B by 100 meters means B should travel only 400. Then B statement, B beats C by 100. B beats C. B should complete the race. In first case, B not completed. In first case, by the time A completed, B is 100 meters shortage. Now B completed the race. Why sir? B beats. Whenever the word beats mentioned by someone, that person should complete the race. B beats C by 100. Now B completed 500 by the time C 400. Now question regarding A beats C by what? Means A by C. In the sense when A is 500, what is C value? Yes? When A is 500, what is C value is the question. Right. Sir, they're not given directly in the question. Indirectly, you can observe A by B is already available. B by C is available. A by C is nothing but A by B into B by C. A 500 divided by 400. By the time B by C is 500 divided by 400. Don't disturb 1 500. Why? I want this expression. 1 500 I want to maintain in numerator. Keep that as it is. Don't disturb that. So these two zeros cancel, sir. 580 times, sir. What is denominator now? Numerator 500, denominator 3. When denominator is 320, numerator 500, A beats B by 180 meters. A beats B by 180 meters. Now listen. Same question, listen. You can copy it later also. I'll give time, 1 minute. Same question, slight change, then you will get different answer. See, if suppose same question, the last line, see now I changed one last point. Same question, what is the last line? In 1000-meter race, A beats C by what? Initially, these two are, when they not mentioned, that 500-meter race is common to every statement. 500-meter race is common to every statement. Certain questions, what they'll give, no? For first one, A beats B by something. For that race may be 500. B beats C by something. For that race may be 600. They may ask you for 1000 meters. They may change for every time. So you have to be alert. Is it common to everything, or for each game is the different distance is mentioned or not? Here, common to everything. But this one, okay, A beats B by 100. Okay, this is as you mentioned, A by B is 500 divided by 400. B beats C by B by C is nothing but 500 divided by 400. Now the thing what is expected is 1000 divided by some, what is the denominator? Right. It will be 640 now. Because for 500, if it is, you know already in previous question, same thing. We got 500 divided by 320, double numerator, double denominator. Numerator will be 1000, denominator will be 640. Now A beats B by 360 meters. Right? So note down. First one you can copy, then see the next one. Next question. So first one is regarding okay race, 500-meter race. Next question related to game. In a game, A can give B 20 points in 60, C 18 points in 90. How many points can C give B in a game of 120? Now, every game is different. First one game is only for 60 points. Second one, 90. Question asked for 120. Here, A can give B 20 points. I said already. Okay, A give 10 meters start to B. When A give 10 meters start to B, okay, the total target of B is 10 less. So here also when the given statement, A can give B 20 points in 60 means A will be 60, B will be 40. 60 by 40. A 60, B 40. Then C 18 points. This is actually continuation. A can give C 18 points in that and is common. A is related to A. A can give C 18 points in 90. Then what's the scenario? A 90, C 72. C 72. Now question is regarding C give B in a game of 120 how much? If you know what C by B relationship, then we can decide what's the answer. First, yeah, 20, 20 exactly. Okay, let's see. So here A can give B 20 points in 60. So when A is 60, B will be 40, then A can give 20 points to B. Whereas see, this is what we already given a statement. You just have a look. If you are not understanding that, we already given a statement previously. In a 500-meter race, A give 10 meters start to B means total 500. A starts from 0 to complete the race. A need to travel 500. A is 500. Whereas to complete the race, B should travel only 490 because A given 10 meters start to B. So B will start from 10. So the same scenario. Okay, in a game of 60 points, A give 20 points to B means A is 60, B is 40. A should get total 60 points, but B started from 20 points. Right, so when you reach 60, then game will be complete. So that's what, so this is a similar statement here, but given in a different way. So A by B, this is all. Now you want C by B. So C by B, if you want, C by B can be written as C by A into A by B. C by A into A by B, A get cancelled. Can we get C by B? Okay, so what is C by A, sir? A by C is how much here? 90 by 72. So now 72 divided by 90. A by B is 60 divided by 40. Don't cancel that 60, keep it because we want 120. Double is easy. Now here 9 8 times, 9 10 times. And this is 8 once, 8 5 times. 60 divided by 50. I can write this as 120 divided by 100. If it is 120 divided by 100, as your friend mentioned, C can give 20 points to B. C can give 20 points to B. Sir, here no time and distance concept. Sir, this is, you said, this is one of the application of time and distance. There is no formula, time is distance by speed. We'll get, this is basic question, sir. There are a lot of advanced questions we'll discuss. This is very basic. So far that formula, time is distance by speed or speed is distance by time, we not yet used. But there are questions related to that also in race and games. Wait for it. Clear with this question? Every game is different points. First game 60, next game 90. The question is asked regarding 120 points. So you understand how this equation A by B equal to 60 by 40 from the given statement, how we written. Okay, then what is this C by B is 120 by something. Why 120 numerator? Try to understand that. Now this question, see, that's what slowly we'll go to next level. Okay, here distance. Fourth question you can observe there is a distance mentioned. Fine, but before that, okay, previously 3 questions were discussed so far. We given totally how many points is gained. Now in this question, you have to calculate what is the total number of points of the game. All these 3 games played for the same number of points, but you don't know. A give B 20 points, A can give C 32 points, B can give C 15 points. Now game is for how much? Then this all 3 should satisfy. Game is for how many points is not given. You have to calculate how many points is the game, so that when A give B 20, B gives C 15, A to C should be 32. You map these two. You take these two. Then the result should be A to C should be 32. You take any two, others should satisfy. That's what you have to work on. Now what statements are, you don't know how many points, right? Let us assume game is for X points. Let us consider game is for X points. Let's consider, okay. A can give B 20 points means what is A by B? X divided by X minus 20, superb. Then what is B by C? X divided by X minus 15. What is A by C? X divided by X minus 32. Now you have 3 equations, right? Sir, how can we link it? A by B into B by C equal to A by C. These 3 you can link, we will get one equation with respect to X. We have to calculate at X value. cross multiplying, there is a lot of ways you can do. Here now we have A by C is nothing but A by B into B by C. I consider total number of points. In fact, some people will try, sir, I'll try with options, sir. I'll consider option is 100 points. I'll cross check here. That also you can do. You use the options into the question, do trial and error, or directly find the answer. Okay, now A by C is nothing but x divided by x minus 32. A by B is x divided by x minus 20. B by C is x divided by x minus 15. X will get cancelled. Now we will get a quadratic equation after cross multiplying. This will come to this side, this will go to this side. X square minus 20x minus 15x minus 35x plus 300 equal to x square minus 32x. You will get x value 100. X square get cancelled, my dear. We got 3x equal to 300. 3x equal to 300, x equal to 100. So then we can consider game is for 100 points. One way you can put options into the question and solving. The other one is directly you can attack. A can give B 20 points. A by B is x divided by x minus 20. B can give 15 points to C. We don't know what's the game total points. We're taking x, so then x divided by x minus 15. So we have three statements from the question and we have to relate that three statements. A by C is nothing but A divided by B into B divided by C. Okay, cross multiplying, find x value, we got 100. Or you can use the options, it's all up to you. There are many ways of solving the question. I just want to inject the basics to you, okay, to handle next level of questions. So I use this basic methodology. Clear with this question? Understand that equations? Right. Fine, let's move for the next one. This is advanced topic. In time and distance, you have problems on trying certain basic questions and all, but this is race and games is advanced topic. Average speed also normal questions only you will get. Both the streams also bit normal, but this race and games advanced. Now let me see this question. How can we handle that? In a kilometer race, A can give B by. I think this question you people can handle easily. In the same race, everything is 1000 meter. Kilometer means 1000 meters. So all three are for 1000. Now let me know what is the answer for A can beat C by. Answer 154 or 144. Two options. Yeah, two options with 144 we give. Okay, we'll put this as 174. Check is it 144 or 154. So what's the first statement? A in the relationship? Yes. A by B. A by B equation 1000 divided by 900. What is B by C? 1000 divided by 940. Now you want A by C in the same race. 1000 divided by what? We need to calculate. Then we can map. So as similar to previous, A by C is nothing but A by B into B by C, and don't disturb 1000. You keep that 1000 as it is. So these two zeros, this zero cancel. Now 1000 divided by 9 multiplied by 94. So which is 154, is it correct? Some people mention 154. Okay, we'll check. Okay, so here 81 under 3, so 846. The answer is how much? 154 meters. A can beat C by 154 meters. In 1000-meter race, A can beat C by 154 meters. Good. That equation A by D, why it is 1000 divided by 900 and all, you just use that basics. Now, the real, whether you understand that statements, what were given initially or not, next questions will check those reality. So in 500-meter race, A beat B by 100 meters. In 500-meter race, A gives 10 seconds to B. In 500-meter race, A can give 10 meters start to B. All those will be useful for the next questions. Now you can see that time is distance by speed and all will come into picture with next questions. I hope you understand this one. This is again basic. Now this is what important here. Listen, for the same question, I'm asking, see, I given only one statement. In 400-meter race, A beats B by 40 meters or 5 seconds. Now, there are plenty of questions we are asking. Find B speed. Find B's time to reach the race. What's the time taken to complete the race by B? Right? Find A. What is the time taken by A to complete the race? To complete the race. Instead of reach, you can easily understand what is the time taken by B to complete the race. What is the time taken by A to complete the race? What is the A speed? My dear friend, why I asked you in this way, no? Even if they ask find A speed, you should calculate first three, then only you can calculate A speed. If question is regarding find A speed, you should do first three questions, then only you can go for fourth one. No, sir, in exam they're asking find time taken by A. Even you should do first two, then only you can calculate third one. In one question, one data, I'm asking all these four questions wantedly because of that too in a sequence order. Whatever they ask, first you have to calculate in this way only. Sir, how can I get B speed? My dear friend, now split the question. In 400-meter race, we'll go for that questions. In 400-meter race, A beats B by 400 meters. 40 meters means what's the meaning? A is at 400 meters, B is at 360 meters. Okay, this is with respect to which statement? A beats B by 40 meters. There is one more statement in the question, my dear friend. What's the one more statement? A beats B by 5 seconds. Now see, I said when it is regarding timing, both should complete the race. When it is regarding timing, both should complete the race. So A will be at 400, B also at 400. But what is the problem? B taken 5 seconds extra. Now listen, my dear, listen. Here, one more important thing is both timings are same. That point, yeah, in introduction we missed it, it seems. Yeah, one second. When they mentioned regarding the time, that also we need to update. One. In introduction, we said first statement, yeah, A beats B by 100. Here timing, A taken T seconds, B also taken T seconds. When both are same time, A completed the race, but B not completed the race. Right. But second scenario, this extra 100 meters traveled in extra 10 seconds. B traveled extra 100 meters in this one. Not that question. Okay, here if you see these two statements, if you observe the second one, first situation B travel 400, second situation B travel 500. What's the timing? B previously T, now B is T plus 10. That extra 10 seconds, B travel 100 meters. So speed of B is 100 divided by 10. 10 meters per second. Now in this question also, my dear friend, what is the B speed? 40 meters in. Yeah, here A is T seconds, sir, because already A reached. B is T plus 5 seconds. Now you have to understand B travel that 40 meters gap in this 5 seconds. This 40 meters gap is there. That's time taken by B. B only, right? A already reached. A no more traveling. A already at the destination. B taken that 40 meter to travel that in 5 seconds. So B speed 40 divided by 5, which is 8 meters per second. But that too here we wantedly asked in kilometer per hour. So what you can do? Into 18 divided by 5. Do into 2 numerator and into 2 in denominator will become 10. So no, just for easy calculation note. So I want to end with 8. Option ending with 8 is B. Because 16 to 8 is 48, units place is 8. So I want answer which is having units place 8 after dividing by 10. So it's like 28.8. Option B only will come. So we'll see that. So our understanding how you got B. Next question was this need not required. Directly you can attack. If they said A beat B by 40 meter or 5 seconds, B speed is 40 divided by 5. But this I explained because you should understand. If I directly tell B speed is 40 divided by 5, you may argue how. This is why that basic statements understanding required. A beats B by 40 meter. A reached 400 meters. By the time timing is same for both. B traveled only 360. Next one, A beats B by 5 seconds means both people should complete the race. B taken 5 seconds extra. So now if you analyze properly, that 40 meters gap traveled by B in 5 seconds. So B speed is 40 divided by 5, 8 meters per second. In kilometer per hour, you can convert that. Okay, clear? Now, what is the next question, sir? Rest all are easy, sir. If you know first one, are you clear with 40 divided by 8 or 40 divided by 5? Why? Why you have to understand, not like 40 divided by 8, anyone know that, but why we got 40 divided by 5, why you have to do, right? Or else blindly you can think speed is in meters per second. They said 40 meters, 5 seconds meters per second will give anyhow speed. You can buy it like that if you want, but concept is always we recommend. Next one, sir. B to complete the race. So race is for how much distance, sir? Yeah. Now time is distance by speed. B. B should travel 400 meters to complete the race. Speed of B is 8 meters per second. Here meters, no. Distance is not in kilometers. Don't take 28.8. Distance is only in terms of meters. So you take 8 only. That 50 seconds is the answer. Now can anyone say what is the A time taken? 45. How? Minus 5. A beats B by 5 seconds. B should take 5 seconds more than A. A should be 45. You read this, A beats B by 5 seconds. A is taking less time, less 5 seconds than B. So A should be 45 seconds. My dear, you just see A should be 45 seconds. Now what about A speed, sir? How to calculate A speed? Speed of A is nothing but distance by time. To complete the race, A should travel 400 meters, timing 45 seconds. Right, so that is what you have option 8, 8 by 9. 850 times 8, sorry, it's not B, 580 times 5 9 times. 5 divided with 5, we got 80 divided by 9, which is 8, 8 by 9 meters per second. They can ask you in kilometer per hour also. It depends on question. You have to opt, but my reference here is all with single statement. Statement is very simple. In 400-meter race, A beats B by 40 meters or 5 seconds. But there are a lot of questions to be followed. So they asked the last question speed of A, but you should complete all this, my dear friend. First, you have to calculate speed of B, then calculate time taken by B to complete the race, then calculate time taken by A to complete the race. How you got this 45 seconds? Minus 5. A beats, if suppose in question, A beats B by 10 seconds, then A should be 10 seconds less than B. If question is A beats B by 10 seconds, then A should be 10 seconds less than B. Whatever B will come, minus 10 will give A. Once you got timing, you know distance B, A should travel to complete the race, then speed of A will be obtained. Right? So this is good. Next, I said already advanced topic. Okay, not basic. You should understand the lines. Okay, A beats B by timing in terms of distance. If you observed or not, my dear friend, listen. A beats B by some distance means timing is constant, whether you observed or not. When they mention A beats B by timing, distance is constant. If you see that intro, okay, when we mention in terms of timing, distance is constant. Here you have a look. Here A beats B by 10 seconds. At the time, distance is constant 500. Here A beats B by distance they mentioned. At the time, timing is constant. That is what okay were used to solve that speed of B directly. You have a look into the distance constant here, the timing constant. Fine. So let's see about the next question. Observe. Okay, let's see about this one. P can run 100 meters in 20 seconds and Q in 25 seconds. P beats Q by. This is actually I want to give you the idea what is that beats meaning. For beats, I said both machines should complete the race. Both machines should complete the race. So this is very simple question. Many will say, but answer I not given in timing. My dear friend, if it is timing, what should be your answer? Anyone? What should be the answer if it is timing? 5 seconds. Super. Because P taken less time, 5 seconds than Q. If it is timing, 5 seconds answer. But I am not asking timing, my dear friend. Ask the distance. Now, whether you are strong in that basics or not, what are the statements I given? If you are strong, then you can handle this question. 20 meters. Okay, we'll check. 20 is one of your friend answer. My friend, you have a look here. Okay, no need of complicated things. I want to do the question very simple way. P complete the race. How much? 100 meters. How much time taken? 20 seconds. If you recall, my dear friend, listen, when you want to climb P beats by in terms of distance, timing must be. Now, timing here 20 seconds. Q also in 20 seconds, what's the distance traveled by Q? So Q travel 100 meters in how much time? 25 seconds. Right? See, this is a different way of solving. I don't want to go with some other complicated thing. My point is very simple. Timing should be constant when you're talking about distance. Okay, here 20 seconds, fine. In 20 seconds, if you know what is Q distance travel, then you can handle the question. Now I divide this with 5. 5 times 5, 20 times. Now, in 25 seconds, 100 meters. 5 seconds, 20 meters. 5 seconds, 20 meters. You subtract those. You subtract in 20 seconds, how much distance now Q can travel? You subtract these two, no? 20 seconds, how much? 80 meters. So, P can beat Q by 20. If you want to give the statement, P should complete the race. By that time, what is the Q travel? I'll just show the introduction again. Same scenario we discussed. In 500 meter race, let us assume 500 meter race, A beat B by 100. A 500, B 400 by the time both are T seconds. P complete the race in 20 seconds. At that time, Q travel how much distance? The gap between that is what? P can beat Q by. Sir, I know speed of Q, speed of P, here distance is there, I can calculate, I'll do. Yeah, there is other policy. But as per this topic concept point of view, you can handle in this simple way. Still, I know as this is advanced concept, I am very much clear. Very less number of students are understanding this question. Very few, I am very clear. This is single line, but lot of meaning is there. If question is in terms of seconds, blindly I can say as both travel same distance, timing which is less that person will beat. How much less is that's what beats by that seconds. Both travel 100 meter, and P is taking less time than Q, then you can climb it, right? Or else no, I'll just give you certain situations. You let me know. You let me know what is the statement to be drawn from that, right? Let's say if A travel 400 meter, B travel 500 meter, time taken by this is 20 seconds. Time taken here is 20 seconds. Now, what's the outcome you can say? What statement you can develop from this situation? B beats A by 100 meters. Assuming race is for 500 meters. Okay, this is 500-meter race. Now B completed the race in 20 seconds. By the time A is at only 400 meters, then you can say B beats A by 100 meters. Okay, this is situation one. You given the statement for that, very good. Now I am going reverse engineering. I am giving the situation, create the statement. Then from statement you can create the situation easily. I am doing it in a reverse way now, so that you will be better. Clarity. I am assuming you will get some clarity better. Now P 200 meters, Q 200 meters, T 15 seconds, Q 10 seconds. Now what should be your statement? This is 200-meter race, sorry. That should be complete mentioned. Yes. Now what should be the statement with respect to the situation? P beats Q by 5 seconds. Q beats. Q is taking less time to complete the race. So Q beats P by 5. See that how state with respect to situation so that you can understand things in a better way. Races and games, bit outline. Okay, is this? There is some concept called a circular race also. We'll address that too soon.